Hey YouTube, it's Jacob
And Jacob
with Good to Go Gear. We're here because we had our first people reach out to us to review their products. They sent this to us for free, going to be honest about that. In the email correspondence, I told them I wanted to be able to test it and say whatever I wanted to say about it, good or bad. They agreed to that. So yeah, I was starting to open this and I was messing with the gloves they sent. So the company is Nextorch. They sent us the E-Star 1300. It's a headlamp. They sent me a black one and their purple model. They sent these gloves. I'll say this. I was messing with them. They came in this pouch. I had all this paperwork with it. I was cutting that off and my son was like, well, shouldn't we probably film it? And I was like, yeah, that'd probably be a good idea to film it first. So I'm going to say these gloves, I wouldn't say they're for like construction, like heavy duty use, but more maybe like mechanical. They're very, I hope you can see that,
hexagon pattern.
Yeah, it's a hexagon, very shiny. I hope that shows up in the camera because it's very grippy. I mean, it's super grippy. And let's see, the black headlamp I already opened, and that's what my son was talking about filming. So we put it back in the box. Oh wow, you put it back in pretty good. It did. Damn, did you tape that back?
Here's a little sticky thing.
I can get that off.
Alright.
And then here's a purple one.
At the bottom, right here.
Okay. So they have these in two models. I think the purple one came with a, okay. So it came with a rechargeable battery, and a cable to charge it. And I think, oh, I see, you just pulled that tab. Okay.
It's here, black with the green, off, red, SOS.
Let's see if they can see that. Around the bezel, you have like the off in the middle, you have like high, or like flood, beam, and then flood beam combo, and then red and SOS over here. My son really likes this one with the black and the green accents. When I took it out, you do have to pop the battery out. This one came with AAA batteries, and there was a little red thing blocking it from working. And what's cool is messing with it before, I won't point at the camera, but when you turn it on, this side knob, let me turn it back off. This side knob right here adjusts like the high and low of the beam. So you can turn it on, and then if you twist this, you can go to high. When you max it out, it'll flash, and you can adjust the brightness to low, and it'll flash when you turn it out, or like max it out on the low. And on the red, same. And what I like is it's got like its own designated red. Some of my old like Energizer headlamps that I had, you had to like go to white, high, low, then red, then green or whatever. And I like this one, you can just go straight to red. And something else is like when you turn it, I mean, it's in the off position. And when you turn it to whatever you want, it just cuts on. And you can have it cut on. Let's see, does it hold a memory? Let's see. Twist it to low, off, on. Yeah, so it kind of remembers where the nozzle is. Now what I notice is right now, see it's on low. If I put it there and twist it to high with it off, it still cuts on the low. I just noticed that. So if you cut it to high and turn it, there's the spot flood combo. But if you turn it off, you see it was on high, and if I twist it down to go to low, the memory still brings it back on the high. So it's kind of convenient. The one that is kind of, I don't know if it should be red, but it has an SOS feature, but it's available in red. And red is supposedly harder to see at night. So I don't know that having a red SOS is great. I guess like if you're in the road, like outside the road, it might be handy. Let's see. Oh, and you can adjust the brightness on the red SOS. But I mean, if you guys hear in traffic on the road, having a red flashing SOS might be handy. Did y'all see that? Can you see that? Up top up here, you have the battery indicator lights. Did yours didn't come with?
I'm charging the battery.
No, but Kelly, my daughter, the purple one came with a carrying case, I guess for the battery and that and the headlamp. The black one without that did not come with that. Oh wait, maybe it's in here. You left it in the box, I think. All right, so we misspoke. All right, so his did. They do come with a direction book and then it's like a velvet little carrying case. So yeah, that's kind of convenient to shove it into. What's cool is, oddly enough, when these showed up today, we actually have a camping trip, father-son camping trip this weekend. So we're going to take them. Of course, you get to use the black one. I'll use the purple one. So we get to test them. Let's see.
Inside of these.
Oh, hey, look. So this one has a battery already in it and a spare, so we could put the rechargeable battery in yours.
But when we're testing it, we should just put the normal battery so we won't miss the rechargeable one.
Well, I kind of want to see how long the battery lasts with normal batteries in that versus the rechargeable battery.
Well, anyway, I was just saying, you can see right here, there's like rubber stuff, and my dad was wearing it, and like he said it grips onto your head very well.
Yeah. Well, I'm bald, so there's a lot to grip onto.
Yeah.
But it is very grippy. These gloves are also very grippy. I don't know what this material is that they have on there, but it is very grippy.
As you can see.
And the purple, they might show up better on the purple because it's like a clear gel.
Yeah, probably will. Yeah. It goes from right here to here and through there. Around it, it's just normal. Yeah.
And they came the right size for my head.
Well, I'm pretty sure it's just like the smallest size.
Well, yeah, but I'm saying it's like, I have a big ass head and they're like perfect size for my head.
So it tight for some reason in my head.
It's that full head of hair you got. Just enjoy it while you got it.
Yeah.
Hers is. Well, how's that black one fit? And the grippy stuff I like. I mean, I guess you can move it because it slides. You could, and you can tell from this. This slit right here. You can take these bands off and on. I guess if you want to put on a different band, they do pivot. I'd say, what is that? Maybe like a
45.
No, that's not. Maybe a 45-degree angle. But yeah, so if you got kids, a girlfriend, a wife, a daughter, they have purple and black. Like I said, my son saw the black and green, was like, ooh, I like that. I'm gonna be honest, this purple and green actually looks pretty good also. So I mean, not one that I would choose to wear,
No.
you know, all the time. But let's see, does this one work? No, okay, so
There's
probably something. Yeah, right. Okay, so that's good. You can see it right there. There's a little purple tab or red tab that was in here. Blocking the battery connection. So dump that out. Alright, and then see. Ooh, it looks like that battery needs charge. See the dots? It's down a little bit. Alright, so good. So we can charge the battery up before we go camping tomorrow night. And yeah, wear these when we're out camping and drop them and see how they last with the camping trip with a bunch of boys on a father-son camp out.
Well, that's Jacob and
Jacob with Good to Go Gear. Thanks.